Hello guys, welcome to my channel CS Tech Zone. Wish you all are doing good and you all are physically fit. So, our today's topic is YouTube Studio, and today we will learn that how to use a YouTube Studio and how it works. What can we do with the YouTube Studio? So, let's go and see that how do that work. Okay, so at first we'll go to uh, okay, so now we will just simply type here youtube youtube. Okay, then we will click here. Okay, then we will click here, and now just you can see that there is many option as like your channel, purchases and membership, and YouTube Studio. So now we will just click here. Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, so now we can see that what is our current current subscribers, our last 28 days views, watch time, and the estimated revenue. So this is my new channel. Also, I just got this channel monetization on for last 3 or 4 days, and also I didn't turn on the ads now, so that's why my estimated revenue is 0.00 dollar. Okay, so now we will go to our content here. So now we can see our uploaded content here. Okay, okay, then our live videos, then our post, everything. Okay, then we'll go for playlist. So in this playlist we can see that, so I have a playlist of shorts videos, Google most popular videos, affiliate marketing, sorry, hi. Okay, so then I can see affiliate marketing, then earning, blogging, then technical. So this is my playlist. Okay, then I will go for analytics. So and now my here we can see all information of the our what can I say, that my channel or the videos update. Okay, so now here you can see that I have 1.6k views in the last 28 days, and watch time 4.5k in the last 28 days, and plus 214 subscriber for last 28 days. Okay, so now just here we can see that okay, I got new to subscriber on 21 April, and 19 is 0, 18 0, 16 0. Okay, then 14 1, 13 0, 11 1. Okay, then okay, April 6 we got 78 subscriber. which is very good. Okay, so then we can see our estimated revenue here. As my account is new, so I have no estimated revenue right now. Okay, then we'll go for reach. So I have, so just you can just see here your channel is total impression on last 28 days, then your CTR, then views, then your unique viewers. Okay, then you can see the engagement. Okay, here. Okay, then audience. Okay, then the revenue, then you can research. Okay, so now, okay, so we can also see that our last 6 months estimated revenue here. Okay, in the revenue section here, monthly estimated. Okay, then November, December, January, February, March, April is ongoing. Okay, okay, then we'll then here is message archive. Okay, then I will go for customization. So here you can upload, or you can just set your channel trailer, also feature video for returning subscribers, also the feature section as like upload. Okay, I have set it in my own. Okay, okay, then there is audio audio library. So the main thing of this is we can use it without any kind of copyright. Okay, that's mean that this uh, this music are free for everybody. Okay, okay, then there is effects, sound effects, then start. Okay, so we have see that how do YouTube Studio work. Okay, so uh, that's it. Okay, I I wish that this just video has helped you a lot. So please do like the video, and also please do subscribe my channel for my next videos. Okay, so bye bye, tata. Okay.